Since 1952, Belzona has embarked on a quest to provide the most comprehensive solutions to everyday problems that are not easily solved with conventional resources or techniques. From midstream gas processing plants to refineries, fertilizer plants, plastics manufacturers, bulk chemical producers, and pharmaceuticals, Belzona has tackled the most pressing corrosion problems facing maintenance and process engineers. From the most basic applications to those that truly define our position as the market leader, our proven solutions to the most complicated maintenance and repair applications provide cost-effective, efficient, and reliable alternatives. Over the years, Belzona has found itself responding to the ever-changing technical requirements and increasingly more demanding conditions and expectations. As it has done this, Belzona has never lost sight of its role as an economically viable alternative, offering solutions that will reduce maintenance expenditures and downtime. In the past 10 years, our R&D chemists have reached new heights with the development of a series of high-temperature resistant coating systems. They are at the forefront in terms of performance, testing, and proven durability. A series of approvals and certifications from the largest companies are testament to Belzona's unmatched know-how and unbeatable reputation. As with this electrostatic coalescer, where Belzona's know-how shines as it provides it and related components the needed abrasion and corrosion resistance and is able to keep severe microbiological attack at bay. Corrosion-resistant liners and alloys are often used to protect atmospheric distillation towers, but over time suffer due to galvanic effects, chemical attack, and in this case, stress corrosion cracking. Belzona's high-temperature coatings can withstand temperatures in excess of 365 degrees Fahrenheit and offer the proven corrosion resistance in this demanding environment. This stainless steel solvent extraction vessel suffers from stress corrosion cracking. Similarly, in dewaxing drums, weld seams are treated to prevent the same type of corrosion. Both of these applications have been proven effective after extensive tests and years of actual service and are backed by formal customer specifications. Belzona's resourcefulness is in plain view in this Mirox extractor. This refinery was in desperate need to find a way to seal in between their weir plates and the vessel wall because they couldn't carry out any hot work. This was successfully accomplished without welding and without having to stress relieve the welds using a Belzona cold curing system. Without the time to post-weld heat treat the welds, this refinery found itself in a predicament just toward the end of a major turnaround. The solution? One of Belzona's high-temperature resistant sprayable coatings. Less than an hour after starting the application, the entire 600-plus square foot tower had been coated and protected. Absorber towers, amine flash drums, amine regenerators, and related equipment are perfect examples of aggressive environments where turning to more expensive metallurgy is not always the best way to combat recurring problems due to chemical attack and corrosion. Belzona's high-performance coating systems have excellent resistance to the most common amines, such as alkanolamines like MDEA, DEA, and TEA, thereby providing effective long-term protection and significant reduction in corrosion rates. Acidic byproducts, especially in gas scrubbers, pose a challenge to any coating system. Over 45 feet of weld seams were protected with a Belzona coating system capable of withstanding the high temperatures and aggressive chemical environments typically seen. This application has allowed the tower to remain in uninterrupted operation for over 3 years. Ever more demanding environmental regulations signal the need for a versatile coating system that creates an impermeable barrier, while at the same time adding to the life expectancy of the asset, such as with this bioreactor clarifier. This clarifier underwent significant refurbishment of its concrete floor with a Belzona polymer-modified concrete repair material, followed by the application of a coating system to all immersed components. Storage tanks are often vulnerable to rust from corrosion and general degradation from sand, water, and emulsified oil and wax. Typical maintenance practices consist of fiberglass liners, off-the-shelf paints, or inferior coating systems. Due to its superior durability, a 100% solid system was spray applied to the interior of the tank, while a UV-resistant coating was sprayed on its exterior. At this refinery, Belzona was chosen over a previously specified fiberglass liner due to its increased performance under immersion, lower permeability, and superior chemical resistance. Dissimilar metals, corrosive substances and byproducts, and erosion cycles of the various fluids and steam all contribute to degradation of critical heat exchanger components. From tube sheets and division bars to end covers and floating heads, Belzona covers the gamut of applications in heat transfer equipment with durable, machinable polymeric compounds and the know-how to get the job done right. As with this situation, Belzona coating systems solve the problems associated with the cooling medium even when salt water is used. And they tackle galvanic corrosion and the unique problems presented by volatile compounds at elevated temperatures. Pumps suffer from corrosion for a number of reasons, such as chemical attack, impingement, or entrained solids. The fire pump shown here had its volutes severely attacked and was rebuilt and protected with Belzona's erosion-corrosion-resistant polymers. On this split casing pump, the wear ring seat and stuffing box areas are formed in place, followed by the application of a protective coating system capable of increasing its efficiency by up to 7%. Through the use of Belzona know-how, the severely eroded vanes of this impeller of a main circulating water pump are rebuilt back to their original profile, saving time from having to weld and machine. Then the impeller was protected with a ceramic-based coating to ensure increased durability and long-term performance. Underground pipes suffer from corrosion due to the constant soil moisture and chemistry that affects its corrosion allowance. Belzona offers effective means of controlling exterior corrosion, either by encapsulating the piping or by addressing isolated problem areas by bonding a metal sleeve to the outside of the pipe. This is done without heat, thus making it safe and accessible to most environments and often while the pipe is in operation. General corrosion and wear under pipe supports is common. Belzona's unique solution offers a quick and on-the-spot repair utilizing a backer plate which is bonded to the pipe by Belzona, isolating direct contact between the pipe and support. Areas under gasket surfaces are prone to crevice corrosion due to entrapped chemicals. Conventionally, costly downtime and the use of in-place machining must be incurred to be able to resolve this problem. Belzona's know-how uses a forming technique that allows for rebuilding the flange face in place in a timely and cost-effective fashion, with the end result being just as durable. Jacketed systems, pipes, and equipment covered by thermal insulation typically suffer from corrosion under insulation. Newly introduced heat-activated single-component epoxy systems allow the corrosion repairs and the application of a coating system to prevent future damage to take place while the equipment is in operation. What's more, these systems are surface tolerant, thus requiring minimal surface preparation. Concrete storage and process areas are especially susceptible to spills and leaks due to the poor chemical resistance of concrete. Spalled and eroded concrete areas can be restored, followed by a coating system to prevent the damage from ever occurring again. Entrapped moisture between a tank bottom and base can create undetected corrosion at its base. Belzona's weather and waterproofing membranes offer a durable, long-lasting, environmentally friendly alternative to stop moisture penetration. Furthermore, the systems are microporous to allow any trapped moisture to escape. Belzona offers an alternative to conventional repairs and provides our customers with the best support through unmatched local technical service, which can be found around the world. Our R&D has consistently presented the most cutting-edge technology and product development in the polymer industry. We are an ISO 9001 registered organization, assuring our customers a reliable and consistent source of materials. Belzona is not just a product, but a complete cost-effective solution to your repair and maintenance problems. Shouldn't your facility be taking advantage of Belzona? So please tell us, how can we help you today?